Hey folks, Tyler here with Kentucky Outdoor Addictions. I've been noticing in the trolling world of fishing that planer boards are outrageous on price wise. So I got doing a little research and a buddy of mine helped me put these together, and I tell you what, I've seen the expensive ones troll, and after watching these right here will put you on the fish and get a good spread out there to troll these baits. I've got a little bit over $30 in these, and I made 6. Right here is 4 of them that I've made so far, but I'm going to show you guys how to make these, and hopefully I can help you get on some fish out there while you're trolling for striper, muskie, or whatever you're out there doing. So stay tuned, we'll get right into this how-to. Guys, let's get started. Just show you a few things that you need to make the planer boards. You need an 8x10 piece of fiberglass. You're going to need a eye bolt, 2 nuts, and 2 washers, the split O-ring, 2 zip ties, styrofoam, and duct tape of your color choice to see it in the water. Now, as you can see, we're starting to cut the 8x10 piece of fiberglass in half. We're using a bandsaw, but you can use a handsaw, jigsaw, just anything with a fine blade. After we get this cut in half, we'll move over to the table and continue with this how-to. After you get your fiberglass cut, make sure you hit a grinder or get some sandpaper and get rid of those sharp edges so you don't cut your line, as you see here in the video above. Now that you got your 8x10 cut in half, you want to go start with your styrofoam. I've already pre-cut it. You want to go with the 2x2 by 8, and it should sit on there just like that. And we'll get over here to the drill and cut us some holes, and then we'll get started from there. Zip tie hole, and another zip tie. And we'll put one here for a swivel. So we got our eye bolt, 2 for our zip ties, and then 1 for our O-ring down here on the bottom right. So we'll go over here and get them drilled out. Okay, now we got our holes pre-drilled here, so now I'm just gonna put it together. I mean, it's pretty much simple from here on out. You just place that there. I'll go ahead and lock it in with the zip tie. Take some pliers and trim down the rest of that zip tie there. Okay, now you got that. Now all you got to do is go in with your eye bolt, put your washer. I like to slide my washer on there so it ain't so hard to get it down on there. Slide your washer in there. Go ahead and put your bolt on. This is a 6-inch eye bolt. Right here where the thread stops is where I like to stop on the styrofoam. Seems like it gives it just the right action that you're looking for. Alright, now we got that one on. Second washer, put it on the bottom. Then take your next bolt, just work it down there. Okay, now that we got those on there nice and snug, I'm not going to snug them up right now just to get it built. But once you got that, it should look something like that right there. Next, take your 2 O-rings. We'll go ahead and work this one on the first eye up here. This will be for your clip, your line clip, and then take the second, put it down here in this pre-drilled hole for your swivel. Alright guys, that right there is a completed planer board. This model right here will be a Wright trolling planer board. Now if we want to reverse it, we'll come take this here, place it over here, and move this bottom swivel O-ring here and move it to the bottom left, and that'll make it a left trolling planer board. Thanks for watching guys.